Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with helpful tech tips and solutions. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to fix Windows 10 mouse lag. If you're experiencing delays or unresponsiveness with your mouse, don't worry. We've got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Update your mouse driver. To do this, simply follow these steps. 1. Right-click on the Start menu and select Device Manager. 2. Expand the Mice and Other Pointing Devices category. 3. Right-click on your mouse and choose Update Driver. 4. Select the option to search automatically for drivers. 5. Once the update process is completed, click Close. Solution 2. Tweak your mouse settings. Sometimes, adjusting a few settings can make a big difference. Here's how. 1. Press the Start button on your keyboard. 2. Go to Settings. 3. Click on Devices. 4. Select Mouse from the options on the left. 5. Click on Additional Mouse Options. 6. In the new window, navigate to the Pointer Options tab. 7. Uncheck the box that says Enhance Pointer Precision. 8. Finally, click OK to save the changes. And there you have it. By updating your mouse driver and tweaking the settings, you should be able to fix the mouse lag issue in Windows 10. Remember to restart your computer after making these changes to ensure they take effect. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tech tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.